Hello students, this is a greatest and latest update according to the new policy 2026 and 2027 scheme of the studies for language in class 9th and 10th. So class 9th and 10th students must know these important changes. The first one is 3 languages compulsory in class 9. So you have to learn 3 languages, R1, R2 and R3 languages. Second is at least 2 must be our native languages. Native Indian languages is there. So you can choose Hindi, English, Hindi or any other languages can be. And third is there is no board examination for R3 in class 10 or is there? So we will discuss it in whole video. So first is CBSE has circulated on 15th May 2026 this circular, and it is given that class 9th and 10th student must know the multilingualism languages for the future purpose. And this is not for your burden guys, this is for that your skill will be learned and you will be a strong tomorrow. Class 9th students studying 3 languages, that is R1, R2 and R3 languages are there. The 2 languages will be Indian languages, okay, and 1 language is your foreign languages. So you can choose any of the foreign languages if you wanted to. Is there any burden for that 4th languages? No, there is no burden for you all. One most important thing for class 10th student, it is that there is no board examination for R3 languages, okay, but school based and internal only you have to give the assessment about that R3 languages, and whatever the numbers you will get, it will be mentioned in your report card. So CBSE will certify your performance according to your internal and school based assessment. So it's depend upon your teachers, those who are teaching you. Next is student will not be stopped from the board examination. They have to give their board examination as you wanted to, but if you want to learn other third language you can. There will no books arrangement is already given by the NCRT, and other than that teachers can use the short stories, poems and non-fiction materials to improve the language learning. It's depend upon your teachers how they are teaching you to improve your R3, R1 and R2 languages. In other way, for the R1 and R2 and R3, there will be a sample question paper and internal assessment, which will be soon will provided by the CBSE. That given it is there. And for the special needs, RPWD Act 2019 के तहत exemptions दिया गया है from the second language and the third language to those who are special childs. Okay, so there is no there, but there is special relaxation also for the foreign students. Okay, so they can use the 2 native Indian languages. उनको भी relaxation है. Here it is given us so many languages, which is given by the NCRT. 19 Indian language you can use. Celebrate diversity, promoting multilingualism and building a strong Indians like you. And main aim इसका ये है कि आप multilingual languages सीखेंगे. Exam reduce कर दिया गया है for 10th class. It is good. Encourage meaningful language learning. If your teacher will give you a great knowledge, you will learn it. Protect students' interest. You will get your own interested languages to learn it so that you cannot be bored. And so all the best for class 9th and 10th students for upcoming future, and pay attention about the new schemes given by the NCERT and CBSE. Thank you.